Hey there. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use the net worth and investment tracker template, step by step. If you've ever wondered where you actually stand financially, this spreadsheet gives you the full picture in one place. Let's start on the dashboard. This is your financial snapshot. It shows your total net worth right at the top, which is your assets minus your liabilities. Everything feeds in automatically from the other tabs, so as you update your numbers, the dashboard refreshes on its own. You'll see a breakdown by category, your total debt, and how your net worth has been trending over time. Now let's look at the Assets tab. This is where you list everything you own that has value. Checking account at $4,200, savings at $12,500, car worth $18,000, home equity at $95,000, retirement at $31,000. Enter each asset with a name, category, and current value. The categories help you see how diversified you are and whether too much is tied up in one place. Next up is the Liabilities tab. Same idea, but for everything you owe. Mortgage at $210,000, car loan at $9,800, student loans at $22,000, credit card at $3,100. Enter each debt with the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. The template totals it all up and feeds it into your net worth calculation automatically. Here's where it gets interesting, the Investment Portfolio tab. For each holding, you enter the ticker symbol, number of shares, your cost basis, and current price. Say you own 50 shares of an index fund at a cost basis of $320, now trading at $385. The template calculates your gain or loss in dollars and as a percentage for every position. Now let's look at monthly snapshots. At the end of each month, you log your total assets, total liabilities, and net worth. Over time, this builds a powerful history. January, net worth negative $8,000, June, positive $2,000, December, positive $14,500. Watching those numbers climb is incredibly motivating, and if something dips, you catch it early. The year-over-year tab zooms out even further. It shows your net worth at the end of each year so you can see the big picture. Year 1 grew by $12,000, year 2, $19,000, year 3, $28,000. It keeps you focused on the long game instead of stressing about one bad month. And finally, the goal tracker. Set specific financial targets and track your progress. Emergency fund of $15,000 by December. Pay off the credit card by March. Hit a net worth of $100,000 by next year. For each goal, you enter the target amount, current amount, and deadline, and the template shows your percentage complete. Get the net worth and investment tracker template today. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy building wealth.